As a painter, traveling to South Africa is the trip of a lifetime. It is a breathtaking country, really interesting people, and of course animals and just scenery. It's an amazing country. And if you're going to do it with workshops in SA.
My name is Talita Valer, and I am the founder and CEO of Workshops in SA. I started this company in 2019, and I was very fortunate to have been able to work with the best artists in the market. I was privileged when they said yes to my tours, and we were able to start this journey together. Workshops in SA is a very unique company. We offer artists not only 10 days with the pro artist, but safari and wine tasting and so much more. You'll be doing workshops and you'll also be going on safari. And I am very proud to say that I am the only company in the world offering this to you.
I recently had the opportunity to travel to the Western Cape of South Africa and take a workshop hosted by Workshops in SA. Each place we visited had something special about it. Talita and Workshops in SA provided the opportunity to experience a beautiful area of South Africa with a talented artist, Anna Rose Bain.
Something special about Workshops in SA is the fact that when you go on tour with these artists, you get the opportunity to dine with them, getting insider tips that you will never ever get at other workshops because you don't have time there. You'll be spending lots of times on the vehicles gathering reference material where you can take it back to the studio and then discuss it with the lead artist. And that is just something special that you will never get at another workshop. Workshops in SA is a unique experience for each artist who decides to go on this. Not just because you're spending time with a master artist every day, but I've seen so many times that people come on this and it's more like a retreat, finding your inner child and finding yourself again in your art. I've seen people grow so much when they come on these journeys with us. It's not just the painting experience, but it's also a retreat where you grow as a person. When we go to some of the other game reserves, you'll be able to see lions chase some of the antelope. The guides are really special and they teach you a lot of things about the animals. You'll also be able to see cheetahs, lions, buffalo, rhinos. We've seen so many little babies on the reserves before, and once you've experienced this, it'll enrich your life forever. You'll want to come back.